Throw it, man.
2, 1. This is the demon place. What did I say?
Dude,
What did
you
I
messed it up.
What did I say?
You made it over here somewhere. Oh, dude.
Did you record that?
I'm recording right now.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. This is how the demon threw it. What is he gonna
Dude, that landed all the way over there by those lights. What do you even mean? Hello? Alright, I will. You caught something? Alright, let's go check it out. El pecado, aquí está el pecado.
Aquí está el pecado. Están pegando la tapa
Yeah.
como crazy.
Ay, 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 me mojó.
Pues con el pecado.
Ajá. Ay, otra vez.
Me cayó.
Tú también.
¿O de qué? ¿Daniel lo tiró?
Sí.
No lo tires, o te...
Ay, 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 ay.
Échalo al agua.
Sí, sí, sí. A ver.
Agárralo de la boca.
Sí, sí, sí. Cuando se calma el güey. A ver, let's get him.
Que tiene animales.
Dude, come on. There you go. You're about to fall.
Are you recording now?
Yeah, I'm still recording.
Wait, what?
Say hi to the viewers, alright? I don't know, dude, you're crazy. You're crazy. He says he's going to fish me. That's crazy. Dude, no, I don't trust this kid. You're crazy.
Let's go fishing.
No. Dude. Oh. Forgot that there.
This is how the demons do.
Dude, you do realize I'm still recording, right?
That sounds... Yeah, I do realize that you were still...
I'm gonna come get you. I'm gonna come get you, boy. You better run. Oh.
Let's play soccer.
Right now, dude, it's like pitch black. I can barely see.
You can barely see
I can barely see the truck. Mira el pecado. Look. El pecado.
Ponle el de este pecado donde va.
¿Onda? Guys? Dude, the water looks red, so it looks like it's just blood.
I know.
Hey, don't touch it. 'Cause he will touch it and then he licks his fingers, which is nasty.
Look at him, look at him. The demon.
Oh, dude.
Hey, let me get it.
It's nasty. Oh, come see if we can see some fish. Oh, there's something. There's little minnows. Ah, and bugs. Okay, so I'm gonna do some explaining right now. Alright, so you see that little kid? Here, look, let me show you. Him. Alright, so he says pescado, which is Spanish for fish. But he doesn't say pescado, he says pecado. So that's his little nickname, we call him. It's kind of funny. What are you laughing about, huh? Look, a ver, say it. Otra vez. Pecado o pescado?
I'm gonna watch you record. Okay?
What is that? What is it, like a little frog or something? Oh, it's a mayfly.
Where?
It's stuck.
Do it again?
Look, at the mayfly. Right there.
Let's see, let's see.
It's stuck. Probably a bass attacked it. I don't want to touch it. Yeah, it's close enough. Oh,
Oh yeah, there's a
It just struck right there, somewhere. I don't know.
Where did I let my feet to fish?
I don't know.
Wait, come over here. Come over here.
I like how I can adjust the brightness so y'all can't see anything, and now y'all can. Like this. Barely.
Oh, wait, do it down. There's like mosquitoes coming. You
Oh,
see?
yeah, they're nasty.
Oh, that's good. Do it over here. I think I let my...
Alright.
Oh, I feel something in my...
Tomás, sécale aquí que no haya nada.
Alright. That's it.
Right there, right.
Wait, my
Yeah,
chancla, my
it's okay, they
chancla.
cut a lot.
Could you give me my chancla?
Yeah.